Hey, to record screen on the Galaxy M34 5G, first open this notification panel and locate the screen recorder icon. If you don't see this icon right here, swipe and check if it is not available somewhere here. Next, click on the screen recorder icon, and now you can decide if you want to record sound. If you don't want, click none. If you want to record only media, select media, and if you want to record your microphone and the media, select this option. You can also show or hide screen touches, and then you can tap to start recording. You can skip this countdown, and now you are actually recording. When you click on this icon, you will actually hide this bar, but don't worry, it will be not visible on the recorder, on your screen recorder. You can actually draw while recording. You can also change the color of this and get it a little bit thicker. You can also turn on the selfie camera just right here. You can for sure pause it or finish by tapping on this button. And now if you want to locate it, all you have to do is just to go to the gallery, and you will find this records. When you go to the screenshots, no, it wasn't the screenshots, in the recent, and here you've got your screen recorder. So that's how it looks. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.